Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a really lovely and simple layout using some items from the Ornate Garden Suite, as well as a stamp from the Daisy Lane stamp set and the medium daisy punch. And this is cased from a design by Barb Mulliken. So the measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches, and then a piece of old olive cardstock and a piece of DSP that are both the same size, and this is cut to 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. You'll also need a scrap of cardstock to put your sentiment on, and this is 1 inch wide and however long you happen to have. And you'll need some white and bumblebee cardstock to create a daisy. Now what I want to do for these two pieces that are the same size, I want to cut each of them diagonally. And I found that the easiest way to do that is to mark 1 1/4 inch from each corner on the long side. And then I'm going to line those marks up in my trimmer and cut. I've got 2 pieces of cardstock and 2 pieces of DSP. And that's how I'm actually going to design my card. So I'm going to put these 2 pieces aside and I can use them to make another card later. With my cardstock, I'm going to run it through my machine with the Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder. And I want to make sure that this is the side that's embossed. So I'm going to make sure that it's on the side with the logo. Next, I'm going to run some adhesive along the join between these 2 papers and lay this ribbon down along the seam. Now I can attach this to the early espresso layer. Now to create my flower, I'll punch 2 daisies with the medium daisy punch and a little circle of bumblebee cardstock for the center. Stamp the smile sentiment from Daisy Lane with early espresso ink onto my bumblebee cardstock. Now I can finish assembling the card. There's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200, or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!